In this video, I'll show you how to go from one awesome hairstyle to another awesome hairstyle with the same pack of hair. Keep watching. Welcome to Lady Rette. My name is Rette McCauley. If you want to see how I did this hairstyle, then I will link that on the screen or in the description box, or both actually. That's what I normally do. Let's get into this hairstyle. The hair I'm going to use is the same hair that I used in my last video, which is the Expression Ultra Braid in the color Rosewood. In that video I used one packet. I cut the hair in half and then I divided it into two, and one half is used on the bun of this hairstyle and a few pieces on these braids, and this is the other half that I haven't used. So first I need to take all of this down, which I'm pretty much okay with because I don't like doing bun hairstyles for longer than a week because it's just too much tension on my head. I don't like heavy things on my head. You can get away with it. Could you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's in the other. Okay, I'm looking a little bit pale in the face. I actually just started using the LA Girl Pro Illuminating Foundation, and I got it in winter, but now it's summer and I think I need a summer shade. Okay, I'm just gonna take down all of these and I will get back to you. Now I have this sort of mini braid out. Here's the bundles. Here's the hair after I took it out, so I guess it could still be used. Okay, so first I need to refresh my hair. I'm gonna use my Easy Waves Oil Sheen Comb Out Conditioner hairspray. Give it a shake. Now I'm using my ORS Argan Oil Fortifying Hairspray. So now I'm going to take a comb with a pointy end, like a rat tail comb, or you can either use a rat tail comb or any comb that has a pointy head. I think I'm going to go with this one because my roots are getting quite thick and okay, now I'm gonna slant that part to the middle. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. So I'm just gonna grab a hairband for now, and then I'm gonna take my Isoplus styling gel. This is a nice non-flaking gel. I'm just gonna apply that, focusing more on the edges. Now I can remove that. Add a little more gel. So now I'm grabbing this brush. Okay, now is a good time to kind of decide how high or low you want the braid to go. I think I want mine a little bit low. And I'm just gonna tie that and release it a little bit because I don't want it too tight. Okay, now the other side. Okay, now at this point I need to kind of level them up, so I'm gonna take my comb and just balance it on top of the one ponytail. Push it all the way to the other side and I can sort of see. Okay, so that's my two ponytails done. Okay, back to school. Right, so now onto the braiding hair. You just need to take a wide tooth comb and just comb it. Gonna do the same to the other half. Okay, now gonna take the two pieces, kind of put them together, mix it up a little bit. That way I can divide it into two again. That way I get two even parts. Now I have two even pieces. So I'm gonna grab some hair elastic bands. So I'm just gonna take the band open like this, drop the hair in between, then put my index finger through and pull the band that's on top of it. So you basically want to make like a slip knot. Now I'm just gonna put that over. And now I can start braiding. Okay, so that's one, and I just need to grab the other braiding hair and repeat the same thing. If there's any knots, just cut them out. Otherwise, it's going to tangle up as you're braiding. So I'm grabbing an elastic band, making a slip knot. So now I'm just gonna take an elastic band and just tie off these ends, just in case they come undone. Now I can just trim the ends, make them nice and neat. Answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You can definitely add some accessories, some threads. I'm also going to add some hair clips. Like, you can go crazy with the accessories when you have two textures. It's okay. You're permitted. So that's basically the tutorial. Quick, easy styles you can do in under an hour. And the way you maintain these kind of hairstyles where some of your hair is kind of exposed, even with the one with the bun, all you have to do to maintain it at night is tie a satin scarf around the exposed area, and then just take the braids, crisscross them, and then just put your satin bonnet over. And when you take all of that down in the morning, everything should still be fine. You shouldn't really need to be redoing this hairstyle like every single day. No, definitely not. The other thing is, if you use braiding hair that's the same color as your hair, then obviously your hair is not going to show as much as mine is in these ones. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like watching these kind of videos. I post every single week on a Saturday. Yes, on a Saturday. I'll see you in the next one, and bye. Show me what's on the other side of inhibition.